So, di ba sabi ko nga, merong 5 categories ng services na pwede mong i-offer as a free ulit. So, you have 5 services. Nakumorder ng 5 services. Ulitan, last na to. So, di ba sabi ko, merong 5 categories ng services na pwede mong i-offer as a freelancer. Administrative, creative, tech, support, or sales. Tinatanong tayo dito ni Sonzo. Applicable ba sa Amazon if gusto is admin task? And yes. So sa Amazon kasi and any other e-commerce platform, pinakang common talaga na ino-offer na services either administrative or creative. Sa administrative part, kayo yung nagfulfill. Ibig sabihin, from paghahanap ng products hanggang sa paglalagay ng products dun sa platforms, hanggang sa pag-process ng orders. So it really depends kung ano yung pinakang malaking chunk ng service na kailangan ni client. But for the most part, Amazon, ang pinakamadalas na nakikita ko na hiring ngayon is product sourcing. And just like other businesses, may iba't ibang line of businesses pa din. Line of businesses under the structure ng Amazon. Kasi malaking platform si Amazon. So meron dyan ng administrative, so virtual assistant ka for Amazon. Pwede rin man dun ka sa marketing side, which involves either SEO or PPC, yung pagraran ng ads. Mabenta rin yun. But yung class na ino-offer namin is mostly focused on the administrative side. If you guys are interested to join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko, sa mismong profile ko. It will take you to our Gig Hub. Pagdating nyo dito sa Gig Hub, nandiyan na lahat ng kailangan ninyo para matuto kayo mag-start na mag-freelancing. But for today, I want to show you under live mentorship, 999 pesos lang siya. Yan, Amazon with internship. I-click nyo lang yan, it will open the form for you. Nandiyan na lahat ng kailangan ninyong malaman para sa mismong enrollment. After ninyo mag-fill out ng form, it will take about 2 to 3 business days for us to confirm the payment. But we have a class this weekend, so kung mag-enroll kayo ngayon, bilisan nyo na because after namin ma-validate yung payment ninyo, mag-onboarding pa kayo bago kayo makasama sa live class. And yes, meron po siyang internship, 2 weeks siya. I think yung July na class may extend pa because may kailangan akong ayusin na system, may paid system kasi siya. So sa 2 weeks na internship, you will actually have an experience. Ano nga ba yung pakiramdam pag maging Amazon virtual assistant ka? Ano yung pinakang common na ginagawa? Ano yung mga tasks? All of this, ma-experience ninyo as if you really have clients on your own. After the internship, saka kayo makakapag-application book. Tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-apply. Pagkatapos mag-mock interview kayo, yung one-on-one ninyo with me. Sana nasagot ko na yung lahat ng pinakang common na question about this class. But comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home. Chismis, bye!